Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Muchos sueñan con vestirse de Armani o disparar como Kimani.
My name is Sanjay, and in this video we will see how to integrate ChatGPT into Virtual Studio Code. As we know that ChatGPT and the Virtual Studio Code are two individual platforms. Like Virtual Studio Code, it is a hub of code editor for lots of coding languages like C, C++, Java, Python and more. Nearly more than 2000 plus languages are there in Virtual Studio Code. But the question is, hey guys, hey Sanjay, what are you doing here? I have some doubts and you have to clarify it. Why we need to install ChatGPT into Virtual Studio Code and how it is useful to us. Okay, I'll explain it. See guys, for example, while you are programming, you may get some doubts. So, you may usually open the Google Chrome and search for ChatGPT, and with the help of AI, you can easily rectify doubts of programming. But it is a lag and lengthy process. But by using this technique, you don't need to open the Google Chrome again and again to access ChatGPT. Because with the help of this, you can easily integrate ChatGPT into Virtual Studio Code. Okay, do you want to know how it will be implemented? Then watch this video. So, to implement this, open Virtual Studio Code on your system and go to extensions and search for ChatGPT Easy Code, and you can find it here and click on it, and after opening it, just click on install. And now the installation has been completed. Now simply click on try without an account. If you want, you can sign in. And after that, now it's time to see how ChatGPT will works. For example, write a program to implement prime numbers in Python programming language and click on enter. See, the ChatGPT has been starting generating the code like this. Simply copy the code and paste it here and click on run it. Like this, you can implement ChatGPT in the Virtual Studio Code for various purposes. And not only for this, you can also use ChatGPT as a error rectifier in Virtual Studio Code and also problem statement maker, algorithm finder and more. And guys, in the previous video, I have explained how to create a website without writing a single line of code. You have seen it? If not, I'm leaving the links in the description box and at the end of this video. You may check it out, and it's an awesome video. You must be seeing it. Guys, if you like this video, please share the video with your friends who uses more Virtual Studio Code and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot for me to do technical videos like this. So, see you in the next video. Until then,
yo,
bye.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I can